Jesus.
Jesus, I'm going to play this one bread.
Holy Moses. What's happening?
Hold this one. They say that so many were born, so many were created, so many were thrown from the throne of throne, and so many also were delivered. Today, special being was born. Machi.
Who is that?
It's not that. It's not that. It's a she. Say she.
Oh, who is she?
Good. Who is she? Say who is she? Oral English in Dutch and
who is she?
Good. Her name is Concepta Chidera Iwuzie. Yes, she's from Omonko, Isialambano in Imo State.
Nice name.
Yes,
nice
Concepta.
Yeah.
Concepta. She was conceived.
She must be pretty.
Pretty. She's the epitome of beauty. Say epitome.
Pitom.
Oh, Pitom.
Pitom.
Beauty.
Beauty.
Thank you. Her mother is from Isunjaba, my place. Her mother is from Imo Isunjaba here. Okay. She come marry for Lamban. If you reach there, you can see all her children. All her children are childrenful, very beautiful and very glamorous. And today happened to be her birthday. So that is why I bought these things for us to jubilate and then celebrate. Then John Capuz into her birthday.
Celebrate. But alcohol on bread, it doesn't go.
You know, I about what's wrong? Lots of you shit, you're going to have alcohol and a bread. In your country, you eat a monkey, you eat a fried, you eat a mururu and because John me let us celebrate. Kopo. So go Kopo.
Kopo.
Not Kopo. I won't have Kopo. Kopo. That is open.
Okay, I got it.
Kopo. I will swim in the ocean of drunk. I will smoke and sneak. Swim in the ocean of drink, and drink with smoke ocean in the ocean of drink.
But this place looks, the area looks bushy.
It
looks bushy.
Let's
go to somewhere, to celebrate.
Somewhere. Nigeria is Nigeria. Africa is Africa. When you go to your town, then you look for a developed area. Bushy man I am, and the bushy area I was. Yes, I am a bushman in a bushy area. And we are all bushes. Yes. So, bush, look at your head. Is your head not bushy? So, bushy area plus bushy head. What's the bushy? Everything now with the bush. Let us sing. Dabri. Let us sing. That's not my baby. Together concept that it was there. Power had there. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Why are you not singing?
Happy birthday to you.
It's not bad day. It's bet.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Take it easy. No, go easy on yourself. Don't kill yourself.
Oh.
This is suicide.
Today I hear this bread missing. Concept that it was your today is your day. Me and Oyibo, you're eating bread on top of your head.
Let's go and make tea, something like that, so that we'll eat it with the bread.
Come on, yeah. I think I love them, man. Don't you know you are an Obia? And an Obia should be an Obians. Don't Obia me, don't controlling me. 10 minutes he told you what to do. Don't tell me, command me as if I'm your here. Today I will wish you happy birthday. May the good Lord Almighty continue to strengthen you. Beautiful damsel you are. Say happy birthday to Chidera.
Happy birthday to you, Chidera. We wish you long life and prosperity.
Chidera concept.
Well, Chidera concept.
Ewuzie from Umunko, isi ala mba no.
From Umunko.
Umunko, kabuwa maka Umunko.
Umunko.
See my mouth. Don't go to Umunko.
Umunko.
There, Chidera.
Umunko.